Welcome to Carmela's Cucina. I'm in the beautiful town of Terracini. It's about half an hour out of Palermo. Look at this beautiful day Sicily has given me. And you can come here in October in Palermo and join my Sicilian tour. I've got to tell you this, look at this beautiful, the air here is magical. The food, the texture is different to what we're used to. It's the Mediterranean Ocean, just the agriculture of the farming on the way that they do things are just totally different. They're so diverse to Australia, to the way that we're used to. It is truly a different place. Do yourself a favour and join me in Sicily in 2017 when we do the ultimate Sicilian tour of Palermo. You will not be disappointed. You will have so much fun. It will change your life. See you soon. Bye.